Yo, what is up, everybody? It's PSI. Welcome to another video. So, second video for today, which doesn't happen often, but we're going into Power Hour. The S&P 500 SPY is at 520.90, so just above where it opened at, or well, technically where it closed at on the previous trading day. Like I said in the beginning, when we were over here-ish, I was saying that I do think that we're in for a drop, but unfortunately, I was not able to day trade puts. I would have definitely bought a couple puts and made a nice profit here. Went down a total of like around $1 to $2, $1.50 at most. And then we are on the bounce back up. So I closed my positions this morning, but I re-entered 1 day forward. So I had 520 expirations, but now I've got 521, and I bought in at the 1209 price per share, the 510 calls. So deeper in the money because I want to be safer. There have been talks of a massive drop coming down. I don't personally think that that's going to happen, but gonna try and ride that trajectory upward. So that's what I have for that. My last post got a couple of GME comments, so I'll take a look at that real quick. So we maxed out really early in the morning. So an hour into the trading day, or no, half an hour into the trading day, we were up 110% to $36. And it looks like we had some healthy pullback. What I am hitting myself about is that I've got 305 shares, which I could have used to sell a covered call for May 17th expiration for $34 strike price. So this $34 call, excuse me, allergies are crazy this year. This was at $10.25 a share. I could have made an extra $1,000 basically by selling one of these if the price didn't go past 34. But yeah, you can actually sell call options. So I could go in here and then since I've got 300 shares, I can sell up to 3 call options, and someone on the other end of the trade would be able to buy them. But right now, I don't think I will, because the break-even price for this is $39. Whereas when it was $10.25, the break-even price was at $44. I would have been much more comfortable selling a call at $44. So basically, it's like selling for 100 shares at $44 a share, technically. Because if it passes that, then you're stuck at that. But if it stays below that price through your expiration date, then you just get to keep everything that you had, because the contract will expire worthless, and you don't have to give up your 100 shares, basically. I don't know if that was a really good explanation of how to sell calls, but essentially every time you conduct a trade, there is an equal and opposite person on the other end, either a market maker or another trader like you, that's taking the opposite end of that trade. For every put that is bought, a put is written. For every call that is bought, a call is written. For every share that is sold, a share is bought. There's always an equal and opposite to these things, and it's the price at which the market is willing to buy and sell, which actually affects market price. Obviously, if there's a lot of buying pressure, the price will go up because less people are willing to sell at a lower price. They're willing to sell at a higher price. I don't know where you guys are at in your trading journey, but hopefully that helped someone that watches this video. But I am kicking myself for not selling calls. But we'll see. That might have been the correct move to not sell calls, because tomorrow, if it opens at like 45 or something crazy like that, or if it runs at the end of the day an extra 100%, who knows? It was halted like 8 times today. Then that would be pretty cool. But I don't know if this is the MOAS or if this is just going to be a slight blimp and then go back to its horrible trend. Look at post squeeze. I mean, there's this giant triangle of death, I guess, but it looks like a giant falling wedge, and I think a falling wedge is bullish. But I mean, for it to go back up to this range, I mean, that would be cool. after the what's it called? The reverse split? Was it a reverse split? Where they consolidated? No, it was a regular split. It was a forward split. So they split it 4 ways. So actually, this maximum was over like it was like 300 something. I think it went to like 460 or something like that. I can't remember. It was so many years ago now. But we're finally there, and we're up to $31. Who knows? Maybe we can get to those highs, which would be around the $80 mark. An extra $50 would be great per share. So $50 times 300 shares. Actually, I don't know. Even if we go back to those times, it still wouldn't be life-changing money for how many shares and calls I have. I would like that, but it wouldn't be life-changing. But for it to be the MOAS, where what we were going to get before they took away the buy button, it was going to be like, I mean, people were saying thousands of dollars, right? That would be really cool if this goes to like $1,000. Well, adjusted for the split, it would be $250. But if this could go to $250, that would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. Still not life-changing money. But I mean, still, that would set a great basis for my portfolio to continue trading SPY options. So that's GME. And then yeah, S&P 500. I'm still bullish on S&P 500. I don't care what people say. I'm super bullish. I was just short-term bearish. And you can always make money off of puts on the way down, but I'm long-term bullish on SPY. I feel like the worst is over, but that's just a feeling of mine, not financial advice. But you can see that a month ago we just dipped like crazy, tried to go up, dipped again, and then now we're kind of just flying. This could be the sign of another dip, but I really am liking the way that the chart's looking. We are high on RSI, and the volume is lower on average, but actually, I think I might have just talked myself into being a bear. Huh. I'm going to hold my calls anyway, because it's just 3 calls. It's like $3,000 or whatever. But, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to try and do daily updates. My account is finally over 25K again. Let's see if I can blow up my account for the 80th time tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to try and take it slow because I don't want to blow up my account again. Because making $64,000 a day and then losing it again the next day is kind of a bummer. I wanna retire eventually, but I can't be losing $64,000 and stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys are in GME or AMC. I saw AMC was up 80% as well, which is crazy. I don't know any other of the other meme stocks if they're still going strong, but it's been a crazy day. It's been a crazy day. Unfortunately, I only have 300 shares, but whatever. We'll try again tomorrow. Subscribe.